Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Eiler. I'm back this week with some more vocabulary work. Last week we did a little brain pop, so hopefully you tuned in to that as well. I'll be doing that again in the future. So let's review. If you've been watching the vocabulary videos, we're going to review our 6 words that we've done so far, and I'll hold up the picture and you say the word out loud. Okay, that one was flawless, a flawless performance. If you remember, flawless means kind of perfect. About this one. Dazzling. Okay, dazzling means amazing. Oh, you can see through. What's this one? Chiseled. You see his chiseled chin. Means muscular or almost cut from stone. Don't forget. Steely. That's a steely glare she's giving you, kind of an angry look. About this one. Bulging, bulging eyeballs. And our last one, bloodshot. When you're tired, you wake up with bloodshot eyes. So this week we're going to move to, instead of describing a character, we're going to describe a setting. Who remembers what the word setting means? Ready? Tell me. Okay, I know you've heard that word setting before in your English class because every story has a setting or a place where something happens. So we're going to use words today that describe a place or a setting. And so you're going to need a piece of paper, 4 squares, just like we always do. I forgot a blank sheet. Okay, well, if you've been with me before, 4 squares, 1 square will have the word. The next square will draw a picture of what it is not. The next square will be a sentence, and the final square will write down what it means. So our word today is bustling. Bustling. Have you heard that word before? Where have you heard that word before? Bustling usually is used to describe a crowded city type of place. Yeah, it's usually used to describe city. So I'm going to show you how to spell that word. It's B-U-S-T-L, and then the suffix ing. So you can write that in the first square and press pause till you're done. Okay, so bustling means busy or crowded, and it can be used to describe a town or a city or a market or even a mall or a neighborhood, and it's when there's lots of people, could be lots of cars, lots of people, lots of things happening. Okay, I'll read a couple sentences with the word bustling in it. The bustling market was full of bargain hunters. Here's another one. Bernice walked around the bustling town, weaving her way through the crowded streets. The city, which was bustling with people, never seemed to sleep. Okay, so I'll show you my picture of the word bustling. Here's a little cameo appearance by my son Silas.
Hey guys.
Okay. This is my bustling city. Lots of people, lots of cars. So go ahead and press pause and draw your own picture of the word bustling. Okay, in the next square, we're going to write what it is not. So think to yourself, what would be the opposite of a bustling city? Well, if you go into San Francisco right now, do you think it's bustling or not bustling? Not bustling. Do you think it's bustling or rather empty or vacant? It's pretty vacant. Okay, so here's a picture of a neighborhood that I drew with no people, no cars, no action, just houses and some trees. So it's not crowded, it's not lively, it's not bustling. So go ahead and draw a picture of what it is not and press pause until you're done. Okay, in our next square, you're going to write a sentence, and I will show you mine. San Francisco is no longer bustling because of the shelter-in-place order. Okay, San Francisco is no longer bustling because of the shelter-in-place order. So it's not lively, not crowded. So go ahead and make your own sentence. Press pause until you're done. Okay, and in our last square we have what it means. So I've said it several times. What does the word bustling mean? All right, if you said crowded, lively, or busy, you are correct. Okay, so go ahead and write the definition of that word and press pause until you're done. You can just copy mine. Okay, so I want you to try to use that word today, or think about when you could use that word, maybe in your writing. If you're describing a place that's crowded, you could use the word bustling instead of crowded. Impress your teachers and impress your parents with some new vocabulary word. Okay, I hope you have a dazzling rest of your day. And I hope that if you go to the market today, it's not bustling and that you wear a mask. And I hope you have a flawless rest of your afternoon. Okay, tune in tomorrow for our next word that will also describe a setting or a place.